What's the meaning of canine? Canine. Canine.
Canine. Canine. The term canine is often used to refer to dogs or anything related to them. The word derives from the Latin word caninus, which means of the dog. It can also be used as an adjective to describe physical characteristics, behaviors, or qualities that are typical of dogs, such as loyalty, alertness, or barking. In a broader sense, it can refer to any animal belonging to the Canidae family, which includes not only domesticated dogs but also wolves, foxes, and other wild canines found in nature.